You want an online business, but you don't know where to start? I was there as well. If you don't know me, my name is Lorette, and I'm a full-time working mother with 7 kids in my house. And 2 has already moved out, but I still have 5 in my house. So financially, I also scrolled and scrolled to see how I can earn an additional income. Now, I tried drop shipping where I had to pay every single month. I didn't know what to do, how to do it, and I was just blocked until I got to this digital marketing, the legacy builder. That is a step by step, done for you business that showed me how to do an online business. And this is fantastic. But there's a community of 57,000 people that's doing this. If you struggle, if you have questions, they are always there to help you. And you only buy it once. There's no recurring fees that you have to pay every single month. There's training that's included that shows you what to do. And that's the most amazing thing because it changed my life and it changed my children's life and my family's life. If you're a parent and you also want to start an online business where you only spend 2 hours a day with an automated system that can change your life, send me a comment, yes, and I'll gladly show you the free blueprint. And we can also book a video call where I will gladly share everything with you, how you can do it as well.